gonna start vlogging. I'm sorry, Mama. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
After 2 years.
After 1.5 years.
No, it's literally
After
been over. It's been exactly 2 years actually. Because the last video I made was where I was talking about how we all got corona. And that was in April.
This is a YouTube video, right?
Yeah, this is for YouTube now. Okay, so I have a very eventful weekend. Haven't vlogged in a long time. I thought I could take you guys along with me. So, a lot of things happening this weekend. Right now I am headed to one of my best friend's house for Eid, and we're gonna have a feast, and yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I always spend Eid with her and she's always with me and my family on Diwali, so yes, I'm gonna introduce you guys to everyone. Itna kyun has rahi hai? Manya, show us your new sunglasses. Okay, yes, show it. She got new sunglasses today, everyone. Okay, fancy. This is my sister-in-law, Beauty. This is my brother. Kunal, just say peace.
What up?
This is Mommy. Mommy, hi. Aww. Alright. मन्ना दिखाना one by one. आंटी ये क्या है?
चटनी डाल।
पर ये क्या है आंटी? इसे क्या बोलते हैं?
हलवा होगा। नहीं, ये खिमामी सेवइयां।
खिमामी सेवइयां। और
शीर है।
ये शीर है।
खिमामी सेवइयां हैं।
एंड ये हमारे हो गए दही बड़े।
ये भी डालिए उसमें मसाला।
Nice. And we've got this. Okay, and I am here. We are about to feast. And these two are bickering like a married couple, which they are. Look at Mom going at it.
Ma, did you wait for anyone?
Mom is hungry. She's like, screw everyone.
Uncle नहीं खा रहे हो?
Thank you, Andy.
Thank you, auntie.
This is the main attraction.
थोड़ा चल ही रहा है
Oh, look at that.
आराम कर लेते
एक किलो बर्फी बहुत ज्यादा होती है यार, तुझे होश नहीं है। 1 किलो
तो बहुत
नहीं
होती है।
मम्मा, इसको होश ही नहीं है और ये खा जाएगा। काजू की बर्फी
आपको पता है
मेरे पास एक ऐसी चीज है ना, औसम है औसम।
क्या?
गुलाब जामुन है बहुत स्पेशल। देखो
ना मीठा कुछ नहीं
एक ही जरूर खिलाऊंगा।
मैंने ये खा लिया
बंद कर देगा बिल्कुल।
हाँ।
इसको इतनी क्रेविंग होती है कि उसका डबल खाता है। आ जाओ ना, ले जाएंगे।
अच्छी है ना ये?
कुणाल अपनी गाड़ी किसी को हाथ नहीं लगाने देता। मुझे पता है कुणाल से कितने बदले निकालने वाले हो।
Saturday, the next day, and we are off to somewhere to get something super special. All right, as I was saying, as I was saying, I usually make the coffee. I'm the coffee maker in the mornings, but I was running late, guys. I woke up a little late. It's still only 9:30, but still a little late. What is this? Let's try it. It's a win. It's a win. Now I gotta find the lid, and then I will take you guys with me and you can see what we're going to get. Yeah. Alright, we are off to our destination.
To get myself on you.
I haven't told them yet what we're doing, so I'm gonna have to beep that part out. So we are almost there. Got my coffee.
Wow, the weather is in my favor.
I know, right? And then
Yo, look at the weather.
we got
Take them
some
outside
chicken
for a little drive.
sandwiches. Okay, I can do that. Guys, the last time I got out of the sunroof, the police was right in front of us and they turned on their siren. Can you hold my coffee? Alright. Okay, are you sure I can get out?
Yeah, just for a second.
Okay, let's do this. Where are we going? Alright, this is a hint where we're at. How do you feel?
I don't know, my husband is more excited than me.
He really is.
He's damn excited.
Alright, I think you guys have figured out what we're doing.
Or maybe I think when I'll drive them.
Yeah, probably. She's signing the papers and this boy over here doesn't really care. He just cares about the car. Look at him. इतने प्यार से मेरे को नहीं देखा है इसने कभी ना अपनी बीवी को. Look at that. It's like a freaking predator with his prey. He's literally circling it. I can't.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool. Prindle.
Prindle. Wait.
The Prindle.
What is Prindle?
OGs know what the Prindle is. If you know, comment down below. Oh, it's got the sunroof?
Moonroof.
Moonroof. What's the difference?
Sun ends here.
Oh,
Moon is all the way back.
damn. That's nice. Woohoo! Okay. We're off, we're in the new car, the plastic's on, and something is buzzing and we cannot figure out what's buzzing. We have no idea. We will eventually figure it out. I hope.
What is this?
I have no idea. I have a very packed day. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I really want to go. And I'm gonna change quickly. I'm gonna show you guys that. From this to... So yeah, failed attempt at a transition, but I'm in such a rush. I'm gonna take my earrings off. I'm gonna show you my gym fit. I have my Nike shorts. This is from the Sold store. I'm gonna put on my shoes quickly. And I'm gonna try and vlog a little at the gym. I get a little conscious. I'm not gonna take my camera. I'm just gonna try with my phone. I get conscious and then I'm super like into my workout, so I forget to most of the time. But yes. So we're gonna work out and then I have a full day planned. It is 12:12 right now. On our way to lunch. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted from leg day, but I did take a few clips. I will hopefully have inserted them and you guys would have seen. So it was good. I worked out after like 2 whole weeks because I was sick. It was fun. We got new machines, so I was super excited to try that. And yeah, I'm gonna have buttered chicken, cheat meal. Kaisa lag raha hai?
I'm tired.
Everyone's tired. We've had a long day. We've had a long weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the food, and then I'm actually going for coffee slash dinner, or I don't know, with my friends. So still a lot to do. Oh man, look at that.
Maybe one regular?
Yes, regular is fine. Thank you. What a beauty. Oh my god, we are so stuffed. It's not, like, it's ridiculous. And we're about to have kulfi now, so. Good meal. Good meal?
Very good. Too good.
Too good.
Too full. Fat,
full.
full, fat.
Fat and full. Look at all of them. Kaise khade hain yahan pe. जैसे बताइए खाना खाया ना हो अभी इतना कुल्फी के लिए. We're just making fun of our family, so it's fine. It's not anyone else. Alright, we've got Malai Matka Kulfi, Kesar Matka Kulfi, and then these stick ones. Rose sounds interesting. Gulkand. Oh, I think I'm gonna get that.
Alright, which one are you having?
Mango.
Mango?
Mango.
I have pan. She's having kesar.
Please. आंटी बिल्कुल बहुत बढ़िया शॉट आया है. जैसे शादी वाले फोटोग्राफर्स लेते हैं ना खाना खाते हुए. अंकल क्या है ये बताओ.
This is अच्छा मैं बताऊँ.
हाँ आप बताओ. प्लीज बताओ.
Don't embarrass us.
Oh man, he's cute. यही डालूंगी. Say hi. Hi. We are at Perch in Khan Market, and I'm having something that does not have caffeine in it because I'm not allowed to have caffeine after 6. And they have really, really good cold coffee, but I can't drink this. You can drink. So yeah, this is the update of the day, of the hour. Just found the cutest little shop in Khan Market, and I don't know if I'm allowed to record, so I'm not exactly going to show you the shop, but I'm going to show you my outfit. But it's cute. They've got a lot of nice stuff. It's like a girly store, if that's what you guys are into. Alright. Okay, girl.